Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. You guys, let's do a quick checklist, alright? If you are new, have you subscribed to the channel? Alright? Once you subscribe, also hit the post notification bell. And then if you like the video, leave a like down below. And then also comment so I will know that you watched my video, okay? Only if you want to, you guys. Only if you want to, okay? Today I'm going to be reviewing lippies from a smaller but very popular black-owned company. They are known for their color. I'm not really the biggest on eyeshadows and everything, but I am very big on lipsticks. So I decided to pick up 5 lippies from Plain in Makeup by Yolondo. So if you're interested in seeing the colors that I got and I picked up, stay tuned. Smells like cherries. My poor lips. Let me talk a little bit about these lippies. I have 5 lippies from Plain in Makeup by Yolondo. I started off with the creamy ones, and the creamy ones that I have would be Sauce, which is the red one, and then Chocolate, which is the brown one. Okay, I love me a red lip. I love me a chocolate lip. All right, and then the matte lipsticks that I have, the first one I tried on was Cranberry. The second one I tried on Milani. That was the purple one. And then the third one I tried on, the third matte lipstick that I currently have on right now, is called Sasha. All right, the lipsticks are very, very matte. First of all the lippies smell good. All of them smell amazing. They smell so good. All right, the creamy ones were easy to apply. They felt great on my lips. It was almost like it was moisturizing my lips, you know. And then the matte ones, but I can still move my lips, but it's matte. It's like not going anywhere. It took me a minute to get to get the color off as I was preparing to try on the next color. The pigmentation of these colors, insane. The formula, amazing. Thank you again for joining me. Thank you for watching another video showcasing a Black-owned company, you guys, for Black History Month. And so I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. All the details about each and every lippy will be down there in the description bar. And yeah, I will see you later. Bye.